morning, dear children. How are you? Now, today we are going to learn a new topic. The name of this topic is the earth and sky. In this topic, you will learn about the earth, the solar system, the sun, the moon, and star constellation. This is the picture of earth. This picture of the earth is taken from the space. It appears to be blue in color. Why? And some patches are presenting on this picture. Now, the surface of water, the earth is showing the blue color is covered with water, and the green color is presenting plants, and the brown color which is presenting mountains. The earth is only planet where life exists. Now, the earth is the third planet of our solar system. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air. This is called its atmosphere. The land, water, and air present on the earth make our life possible. The earth is at the right distance from the sun. This is the picture of solar system, children. Do you know what is solar system? First of all, we know about a planet. What is planet? Any natural object that revolves around the sun is called a planet. The family of the sun is called the solar system. It is made up of sun, 8 planets and their moon. Planets, they do not have their own heat and light. They move round the sun and get heat and light from it. Planets do not appear to twinkle in the sky but shine with a steady light. Now, let us learn about the planets which are in order. First is Mercury. Second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, and the last, eighth is Neptune. Now Jupiter is the largest planet while Mercury is the smallest planet. Our Earth is third planet from the Sun. The sun. The sun is the closest star to the earth. Sun is so big that many earths can fit inside it. Yes, it appears very small because it is very far from us. It is one of the millions of stars in the universe. It is looks like a fiery ball that is made up of hot burning gases which keeps burning all the time. This is why it produces more heat and energy. It helps us in many ways, like it helps planets to produce food, it helps in water cycle, it gives us natural heat and light, and the sun's energy which we get is called solar energy. Now the moon. Now you know, children, the moon is the earth's closest neighbor and its natural satellite. But it is dry and barren. There is no any air or water. It has no light of its own. It shines because it reflects the sun's light. Have you ever thought that why does the moon seems to change its shape? Yes, since the moon has no lights of its own, we only see that part of the moon which is lit by the sun. It moves around the earth. The lit part of the moon always points to the sun. The full moon is called Purnima. Then starts getting smaller and smaller until on the 14th day. It is not visible at all. That is the new moon, which that is called Amavasya. In the next 14 days, the moon grows bigger and bigger until we have a full moon again. This is the picture of a star constellation. In clear night, have you seen children? Thousands of stars are twinkling in the sky. Sometimes we find these stars are in group form. These groups of stars are called constellations. There are many constellations that are seen in night sky. They are big dipper, popularly known in India as Saptarishi Mandal, Scorpio, Orion, Ursa Major, and Leo. One more brightest star is the polar star that is known as Dhruv Tara. It is seen in the north side of our country. Thank you.